Daddy and Mommy wants to tell you something. Jiro? Jax?
I think
Yeah.
Daddy and Mommy is having another baby.
Cap. It's Cap. You're not. Actually,
The girl or a boy?
You excited, Jiro?
Yes.
What about you, Jax?
no,
Why?
not prepared.
You're not You're not prepared.
Are you tricking me? Tell me, is it gonna be boy or
True.
girl?
Not April Fools.
We have to buy all the baby things.
Are you talking to
It's
you?
true.
Yep, it's a baby girl.
Cap. How do you know it's a girl already? Where's the baby photos?
It's all digital and it's in Daddy's cell phone and email.
Show us. Show us if it's true then.
Is that purple blue?
What?
Are you tricking me?
Right there.
Are you sure that's not Jiro's baby photos in 2022 or 2017 from me?
Why do your belly's big?
Is it?
It is
Is
big.
mommy's belly big?
Not really.
It's just one of the Gucci going through.
There's
That's
no
why I can
baby.
even look it.
Jira, are you ready to be a kuya?
I just don't.
You're
I
lying.
just love two of
You
us.
think it
Is it true?
And guess what? There's another surprise. There's two babies.
Twins.
Twins. It's
How
two
come
babies.
in the baby photo there's one baby?
Don't tricking me.
Frank.
Careful, Frank.
I already know.
We can get a baby sister.